Good morning, students. Today we do activity 6 of lesson number 7. Question number 2, firstly, we will discuss. Question number 2 is find the product and write the answer in lowest term. Means what we have to do in this. First question is 15 into 12 by 20. So we always, when we do cutting, we always do cutting from left to right, means in a cross one direction. Like this manner we always cut. Means 15 and 20 we will see in which table for 15 and 20 come. So firstly we see 15 and 20. 15 and 20 both the numbers comes in 5 table. 5 3s are 15, so I cut 15 and write down there 3, and 20 also I cut, and in place of 20 I write down 4 because 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Clear? Now downward 4 comes. Now you have to see 12 and 4 comes in which table? It comes in 4 table only. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So I have cut 12 and in place of 12 I have written 3. Now 3 3s are 9. So answer will be 9 here. Clear? Now student, we do B part. B passes 24 into 3 1 by 4. Means 3 1 by 4 is in the mixed form. So what we doing? We will convert it in a improper form. Means 3 into 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 by 4. Now student, what you will do? You will see in a cross one direction which two numbers come in one table. Now 24 and 4 comes in one table. Yes, that is 4 table only. So you cut the 4 and in place of 4 you write down 1 because 4 1s are 4. And in 4 table 24 come at the 6. So you write 6 in the side. And now 6 and 13 you will multiply it. Answer will come 78. And student, one more thing. If down in denominator nothing is written, so in place of that you will write 1. Clear students? And always keep one thing in mind. We can cut the number 1 from up and 1 from down. Clear? Like this manner we always cut the number. In one number we have to take from the up and one number we have to take from the down for in the cutting method. Clear this thing? Now after A and B part, students, we will do question number 3. Question number 3 is same like question number 2. Clear? In question number 3, A part, only what is the difference written? Here is off word written. Off means multiply. So in place of off, I will write multiply sign. Clear? Now 7 upon 8. Now you have to take one number from numerator and one number from denominator. Which two numbers cut in one table? You have to select that two numbers. Firstly, see 7 and 21. 7 and 21, both the numbers come in which table? 7 table. So you cut these two numbers. One number I have taken from numerator and one number I have taken from denominator. Cut it. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. So in place of 21 I will write 3. Clear? Now also see second two number. One from numerator and one from denominator. 8 and 16, both the numbers come in one table, that is 2 table only. Sorry, 8 table only. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So I in place of 8 I will write 1 and in place of 16 I will write 2. Now 1 2s are 2 and downward denominator you have to multiply. Means 1 3s are 3. Means after cutting whatever come that one numbers we will multiply. So 1 3s are 3. Clear? Now students, we in place of A, now we will do C part. C part is 3 upon 8 of 36. It means down of 36 what I write? 1. So down of 36 I write 1. Clear? And in place of I will write multiply sign. One way of doing these type of question is to do cutting. Cutting, how you do? One number you have to take from numerator and one number you have to take from denominator. And you have to think in both these numbers should come in one table. Clear? If both the numbers come in one table, then you do cutting in that. Otherwise, dear, what you do? Firstly, you multiply numerator with numerator and write down numerator, and denominator you have to multiply with denominator. After that, you do cutting. Clear? But cutting you have to do in this type of questions. Clear? Now see, one number I have taken from down 8 and one number I have taken from up in the numerator, that is 36. Now you see 8 and 36 comes in which table? Both the numbers come in 4 table. 4 2s are 8. Clear? And 4 9s are 36. So I cut it and in place of that 9 and 2 written. Now student, we will see 3 9s are what come? 3 9s are 27, because after that we can't cut the one number from numerator and one number from denominator. So what we do now? We will multiply the numerator. 3 9s are 27. So I will write here 27. Down 1. 2 multiply 1. 2 1s are 2. So I will write 2 here. Now 27 upon 2. It is in which form? It is in improper form. So we will convert in mixed form. Clear? By dividing it. So this will be the answer of C part. Now student, we do D part. D part is same like C part only. First of all, student, what we do? 1 upon 2 of 3 4 by 5. Firstly, we convert it in a improper form. So first number will come 3 by 2 into 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 by 5 come. Now student, what we see? 3 and 2 you can't cut because 3 and 2 does not come in one table. 3 and 5 also does not come in one table. 19 and 2 also does not come in one table. 19 and 5 also not come in one table. So what you do? Now you have to multiply numerator with numerator. 3 multiplied by 19, 57 come, and 2 5s are 10. Clear? After that, student, what you do? You will see it is in improper form. You convert in a mixed form by dividing it. Clear? Means question 2, 3, 4 all are same. Only we do cutting over here. Now we do question number 4, A part. Multiply and write the answer in lowest form. It is in a mixed form. So it means firstly you have to convert in a improper form. 1 7s are 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 by 7 into 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So 16 by 5 come. Again see, 9 and 7 come in one table? No. 9 and 5 come in one table? No. 16 and 7 come in one table? No. 16 and 5 come in one table? No. So what do you do? Numerator you multiply with numerator. Denominator you multiply with denominator. 9 16s are 144. Clear? Upon 7 5s are 35. Now we convert in a mixed form. How? In 35 table, 35 4s are 140. So 4 will come as a quotient. So it will be written in the side. Clear? Now student, we will do I part of question number 4. It is same like all the question which you have done today, question number 2 and 3. What you have to do? Firstly, it is in a mixed form, convert in a improper form. So 1 by 2 will become 3 by 2 into 2 1 by 3 will become 7 by 3 into 3 1 by 4 will become 13 by 4. Now you will see which two numbers come in one table. One number should be from the numerator and one number should be from the denominator. See, are they coming in one table? Then cut it. Like 3 and 3 comes in one table. So we will cut them. 3 1s are 3 1s. Clear? Now in numerator 7 and 13 left. So what do? You multiply them. Answer will come 91. And down 2 and 4 left. So 2 4s are 8. Now 91 upon 8 is a mixed form we will convert, because 91 upon 8 is a improper form. So we convert in a mixed form. So answer will be 11 3 by 8. Clear? Now student, we do question number 5, word problem. So first word problem is Maya read 3 by 5 of the book in a day. If total number of pages is 125, how many pages did she read? So student, when these type of questions come, firstly we write total number of pages as I have written. So you write total number of pages is equals to 125. After that, they ask how many pages she read. So you write in place of how many what come? Number of pages Maya read. So you write 3 by 5 of 125. Then 3 by 5 into 125, you will do what? You will cut 5 and 125. When you cut 5 and 125, answer will come 25. So in place of 125, what I write? 25. Now 3 25s are 75. Clear? Then hence line we write. Hence line is our last line. Means hence number of pages Maya read is 75. Clear? Now student, we do question B part of question number 5. Tafik ate 2 by 3 of the cake if the total weight of the cake was 1 by 2 kg. Means what we write first? Total weight of a cake, that is 1 by 2 kg. And it will be converted into improper form. So answer will be 5 by 2 kg. Now we write how much cake did he ate. So we write cake Tafik ate, then 2 by 3 of 5 by 2 kg. So in place of multiply will come 2 by 3 into 5 by 2. Now 2 and 2 cut because both the numbers come in one table. So answer will be 5 by 3 kg. Now it is in a improper form. We convert in a mixed form by dividing. Then we write a hence line. Hence and so line is the same. So the cake Tafik ate is 2 by 3 kg. Clear? Now student, we do C part. Sameer spent 5 by 7 of his money on the book while Anuj spent 2 by 3 of his money on the food. If they both had rupees 2100, means total money they had both, we write firstly that one line. So rupees 2100. Then money Sameer spent 5 by 7 of total is 2100. So what do? Now in place of you put multiply sign. Now you take one number from numerator and one number from denominator, and you have to see both the numbers should come in one table. Now students see 7 and 2100 come in one table, that is 7 only. 7 ones are 7, 7 300s are 2100 because 7 3s are 21. So 2 zeros are there, so we write 300 here. Now 5 into 300, what answer come? So what answer come? 1500. So 5 300s are 1500. Clear? Now student, we do second part of it. Money Anuj spent. How much he spent? 2 by 3 of his money. Means 2 by 3 of 2100. So in 3 table 2100 come at 700. So now student, you multiply 2 with 700. What answer come? 1400. Clear? So at the end, what you write? So Sameer spent more money than Anuj by 1500 minus 1400. What answer come? Rupees 100. So this way we will do question number 5. Now student, I have written homework also, which one question you have to try by yourself. Like do question number 2 C and D part, question number 3 B part only, and question number 4 B and G part of activity 6 of chapter number 7. So students, today you have learned how to multiply a fraction by a number. Clear? How? Firstly, one way is to multiply the numerator of a fraction by a numerator and denominator of a fraction becomes the denominator of a product. One way is this. Otherwise, you have to multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, and then do cutting. Clear? Cutting you always do by taking one number from numerator and one number from denominator. Clear? And after that, you have to reduce the product to lowest term by doing cutting method. Clear? And if the answer come in improper form, convert in a mixed form. All these things you have done in question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. So students, today we have done activity 6, question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. I hope you understand these one questions. Thank you.